Hey guys, welcome to my colored burger bun series. Today we're gonna start with the blue bun. You're gonna boil around 500 milliliters of water or 2 cups. Then you're gonna add 10 grams or half a cup of butterfly pea flours and let it boil for around 10 minutes. Set it aside until it has around 80 degrees Fahrenheit or 26 degrees Celsius, and now let's start with the dough. We're gonna start with 500 grams or 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Then we're going to add 7 grams or half a tablespoon of yeast, 5 grams or half a tablespoon of sugar, 10 grams or 1 tablespoon of kosher salt. Mix all together, and then we're gonna add 300 milliliters or 1 1/4 cup of our blue water. Be careful that you don't add any of the butterfly pea flours. Mix all together and knead it for around 10 minutes with a stand mixer. After you mix it for a little bit, you're gonna add 10 grams or 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Also, the amount of ingredients I'm gonna name you is for 6 buns. I only make 2 buns in the video, so don't be confused when you have more dough than I have here. After we were kneading the dough for around 10 minutes, we're gonna cover it and let it rest for around 30 minutes or until it doubled in size. Now we're going to form the bun. If you're curious how to make any of the other colors, just subscribe my channel. I will upload these videos soon. We're gonna cut it in 6 equal pieces. We're gonna fold the outside in the middle all around, and then we're gonna roll it with the back of our hand until we have a nice ball. Now we're going to place them on a baking sheet, gonna cover them and let them rest for another 45 minutes. I recommend forming the buns with a little tart ring. Make sure you use one that's a little bit smaller than the desired bun size because they will grow. Be careful that the buns don't stick on your cover, that could really ruin your buns. Now we're going to let them rest for another 45 minutes. After gently removing the cover from the buns, we're gonna brush them with some cream. If you're vegan, feel free to use some oil. And after that, we're gonna sprinkle some sesame on it and they're ready to bake. Make sure that you're gonna preheat your oven to 210 degrees Celsius or 410 degrees Fahrenheit. In order to prevent the buns from fading out their color, we're gonna cover them for the first 10 minutes with aluminum foil and gonna bake them for another 5 minutes uncovered after that. Okay, now they're ready for the oven and we're gonna set a timer for 10 minutes. After that, let's remove the aluminum foil and give them another 5 to 7 minutes. And there we go, our nice colored blue buns. And because it went a nice thumbnail, we're gonna make a burger out of it. Just basic burger, onions, tomatoes, pickles, salad. And that's pretty much it. And if you wanna see more colored buns, take a look at my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.